Welcome spring, March 21, 2013, first day of spring. Standing here in my backyard next to a snow-covered car. It's about 2 p.m. Snow started falling around 10 a.m. It's really picked up in earnest in the last hour. Trees lining the driveway, covered in snow. Neighbor's yard, covered in snow. Debris that washed up in a nor'easter a week and a half ago, covering the backyard, covered in snow. Looking out toward the marsh, it's nothing but snow. Coming down pretty heavy now. Covering very heavily, very thickly, areas that aren't used. Branches, grass. Wind's coming out of the north, maybe a little bit west, northwest. Ooh. It's cold and it's wet. Again, any area that's not getting used, walked on or driven on, snow is accumulating at a good rate on the first full day of spring in 2013. There's a bench that hasn't been sat on in a while. The seat, pretty covered in snow, solidly covered in snow. Front steps were swept off about an hour ago, completely covered over again. Welcome spring.